What's going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I created this red ruby shimmer eye look, giving you all wet, baby. Okay. And if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you guys keep on watching. I want to start off with eyebrows first. I just want to take some Airspun and touch it on my eyebrows because I'm actually filming this like 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning. And I do my face every morning, so I just want to make sure I get all that grease out of my eyes. Get all that oil out, you know what I mean? As y'all can see, my face is looking a little better. It's still this head right here. I be wanting to really like talk to y'all while I do my eyebrows, but it's very hard because I be really concentrating because eyebrows are really important in your makeup. I'm going to be jumping into the Deep Cinnamon Flawless Concealer. Just go like that, fill it in. And I'm gonna just blend this in really, really good. Just to get it all in. You know what I'm saying? For real. Ooh, yeah. All right, so now we just gonna take a little teeny bit of this Fenty Beauty and we're gonna lay it right over top. Just a little teeny bit. Blending this out real quick. I hope my husband come in here with my coffee, y'all. I'm so tired. Like, this week has been so exhausting. Like, really exhausting. I've been pushing through. If you like me and always just have stuff on your mind anyway, honey, you know I'm tired. So really, really quick, we're going to be jumping into the Carnival Palette, okay? We're going to be using Inferno. So for my outer corner, I'm going to be taking this M518 brush. Put this right on my outer V and rub it right in. Stopping right at the crease part. You see right there? Yeah. Blending as you go. I'm going to jump into that little brush, tap right into that red again, and I'm going to start from my crease and I'm going to just blend. Taking it down, but just blending really, really good. You know what I'm saying? I like eye looks that are difficult, but they're still like easy. You know what I'm saying? Oh, hubby done brought my coffee. Thank you, baby.
You're gonna wake that ass up.
Yes. Not today, Satan. I drink coffee every day. I think I'm addicted to coffee. As you do, blend it out. Always blend out your eyeshadow as you apply. Okay, so we're going to be jumping into Reckless, just to darken it up just a little bit more. Give it some definition, you know what I'm saying? So now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into the Strawberry Milkshake eyeshadow palette with these pretty shimmers that's in here. And we're going to be jumping into this gold shimmer right here and lay this right in the middle. I'm gonna pack it on there, you know? Boom, okay? Now, since we have that down, we're just gonna take that red and just blend the edges. I'm gonna jump into that Gold Luxe, that highlight that's in that palette that I always show you guys, and I'm gonna put that on my brow bone. So I'm going to be jumping into the Plouise. This is in the Rumor 5 base, and I'm gonna just lay this under my eye, just like this on both of them, and blend all of that out. Get all up under there, just like that. I always put too much under here, but if you put too much under your eye, especially if you like me and you got creases, don't even worry about it. Just make sure you blend real good in between your creases because you're going to put an eyeshadow under there anyway. And I'm so sorry if my voice sound crazy, but I've been working hard for the money. So hard for the money. But for real, I have. But this coffee is waking me up, so that's a good thing. All right, so now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into this e.l.f. black eyeliner. Line your eye just like that, baby girl. Okay, so now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into that red, and we're patting first. I like the pat on it first, you feel me? But yes, boo, I actually had a shoot the other day, and I really love the way this look came out. And I was like, you know what? I want to show my boos how I did this look. You know, it's like really a really easy eye. We're going to take a M507 brush. I'm going to be jumping into Lit, and I'm gonna just take that and blend that out into my skin like that. And if you go all the way down, don't worry about it, because you can clean that up with your concealer and stuff, so don't worry about that, okay? I'm going to prep for my lashes and put this Ala mascara on my eye just like this. You ever notice that when you put your lashes on, it's like a space like right there? And I'm noticing in some of my videos, you can like see that little space. I like to just pop my lashes on, to be honest, but lately I said no, I'm going to definitely not be having that space right there. Like, don't nobody want to see that. You feel what I'm saying? God is on my side today, because I popped them joints on, and I did it fast, and I did it in front of y'all, so I'm getting better. We're going to be taking some lip gloss by MAC, and I'm actually going to be taking my MAC. This is I don't even know if they still have this, but this is a 242 brush. Remember this lip gloss back in the day? This was my first lip that I used to use. And lay it over your eye in like a patting motion. I put my eyelashes on first because when I did it the first time, I put my eyelashes on last. My eyelashes kept slipping off. So make sure you put your eyelashes on first. So now since we have that down, I'm gonna zoom you out and we're gonna jump in the face. So we're gonna be jumping into primer. So I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty, and I'm also gonna be taking the Versali. I'm gonna be taking both of these and putting both of these on my face. I'm just protecting my face since my face been breaking out in the last week. Put that in. But yes, boo, I've been working so hard and I've been really tired. And I think just being a mom and being a wife and having to like have all these type of different responsibilities, sometimes it can become a little overwhelming. You know what I mean? I'm about to jump into the Estee Lauder Double Wear in the color Deep Spice. But yes, yo, I was just so tired, like, and the virtual school with my daughter, that's going good. You know, you gotta be there. I sit next to my daughter when she's in school. Not like the whole entire time, but I definitely sit there and make sure she's doing what she's supposed to do. These virtual videos that I've been seeing on Instagram, speaking of that, who is that right there naked? When I tell y'all, I was dying laughing. Girl, she had her titties and her butt all on the thing, honey. It was a hot mess. I just been real like tired, you know what I mean? I'm blessed to be busy. That's one thing I will say. And I'm gonna jump into the e.l.f. Deep Cinnamon. I thank the Lord for allowing me to be busy, because this is what I prayed for. I don't know if I ever told you guys this. What was it? Last year around March, I walked out of my corporate job to pursue my dream. I felt like I was being discriminated against at my job. I have a real short fuse with some things, and the way my manager was talking to me, I wanted to smack the monkey dog shit out of her, but I didn't, because I'm a child of God. But I'm not telling you that I didn't want to. because I wanted to. When I said something because of the color of my skin, it came across that I was confrontational. Oh, she's confrontational because she always has to have something to say. I can say whatever I want to say because it's freedom of speech. But to be honest, that was the most scariest thing I ever did in my life. I did not want to walk out of my job. I heard something in my heart tell me to walk out of my job, and I knew it was God. God said, grab your fashion book and walk out. When I tell you, God has blessed me. Like, I never would think that I would be doing makeup like this. I could barely do my eyebrows. I was that girl that couldn't do my eyebrows and couldn't do certain stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, I wanted to really help people. Everybody don't have the luxury all the time to get their makeup done. And in this day and age, people is doing their own makeup. I'm very grateful that I am busy, but I'm very tired at the same time. And I don't want God to think because I'm tired that I'm not grateful. I know you tired, but at least you're not busy doing nothing, because it'd be a whole bunch of people acting like they doing stuff and don't be doing shit, okay? Where I come from, if it's iffy, we call it suspect, period. Now we're going to be jumping into contour, jumping into the chocolate cream contour. I'm going to take my E16 brush and I'm just going to use that for my contour. But yes, I'm just very grateful of everything that God has been doing in my life. Easy God giveth, easy God taketh away. You gotta be grateful for everything that you have. You know, I have lost it all and got it all back. And I have real friends in my life that really love me. I have real family in my life that really love me. Like, they really love my crazy ass because I'm crazy as shit. That's what it's about. It's about having people that love you and that want to see you grow, you know? My girlfriend, my best friend, I've known her for 10 years. We've been real close lately. She is a costume designer for Queen of Slim. Real friends that's doing real things. I be so proud of them. You know what I'm saying? Like, yes. I'm gonna jump into this bronzer by e.l.f. I've been lately loving e.l.f. products. Doing it good, you know? But yes, guys, that's what it's about. It's about creating legacy, and it's all about just being true to who you are. I love being myself. I can't be nobody but myself. But yeah, I'm gonna jump into this Mocha Mommy. Warm my face up a little bit. Just a little, you know. And now since we have that down, I'm going to jump into highlight. Jesus Christ, like a good highlight, ooh. Make me Kimora Blanc. She'd be like, ooh, 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 ooh. I love Kimora Blanc, y'all. Y'all gotta look at her. She taught me a lot in makeup. Before I jump in the lip, I'm gonna jump into the MAC Dark Deep, and I'm just take this and put this all over my face. Just like that, just to give it like an even feel. So now we're going to be jumping into the Night Mauve by Tiana Teller. Okay, now we're going to be jumping into a Rose in Harlem. My grandma used to always wear red, y'all, like a red lip, and it used to look so sexy on her. So now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into the Morphe Setting Spray, and we're going to be spraying this face. So my boo, this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look, because baby, I'm giving you wet all over. Period. I really love the way how this whole entire look, outfit and makeup came out. If you are feeling this look, don't forget to smash that like button. Also my boo, if you made it this far into the video, what did you waiting for? Why you haven't subscribed to my channel yet? You need to subscribe. And you need to hit the notification bell button too, because I need you to be notified for my upcoming videos, and I'm not playing with you. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to keep God first. I ain't playing with you. And I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.